Experts revealed that Cardano will reach $3.60 soon. Check out this video to find out why. Also, I will share with you some latest updates about Cardano in this video, so stay tuned until the end. Cardano is in the precarious position of setting itself up to run on a solid bull run for the foreseeable future. Bitcoin has recently risen in value, which can partly be attributed to Jerome Powell's announcement that quantitative tightening, which the government hoped would occur, is not going to occur. Furthermore, the sustained low interest rate environment appears to be driving the cryptocurrency market forward, which is also having an impact on ADA's price. Meanwhile, a rise of more than 11% in the last 24 hours has been witnessed by Cardano, showing that the market has gained momentum. As part of Neural Profit's PyTorch-based price prediction model, also known as hybrid forecasting framework, trained with conventional deep learning methods, ADA was predicted to reach $3.60 by March 1, 2022. In today's price prediction model, prices for July 1, 2021 to July 1, 2022 are forecast for 16 days, and though it is not a completely accurate forecast, it is a very respectable one for a decentralized asset, considering the anticipated price wave has followed along with the fluctuations in the actual price of ADA, including the recent bottom of Cardano's price. Historically, those predictions have been spot on. As opposed to the algorithm, the Cardano community predicts ADA at $2.28 by the end of February, a 78% increase over its current price, but a long way off from the algorithmic forecast of $3.60. Moreover, crypto data statistics platform CoinMarketCap offers price estimates which lets users make predictions about the price of cryptocurrencies over the next 6 months and see what others think about the prices in real time. Additionally, a median price estimate for the city has been reached after 58,020 individuals have voted. With a total market capitalization of $42.6 billion, Cardano is currently trading at $1.27, up 10.26% in the last 24 hours and down 4.08% in the previous week. Further, in order to understand the potential future price of ADA coin and how it may become capable of hitting its $3.6 mark in 2022, we need to look at its price performance to date. Meanwhile, it is no secret that Cardano and its native token ADA have had an interesting year in 2021. The price of the ADA coin started with a pretty decent performance in 2021. Later in the year, the coin's price experienced some pretty significant spikes as a result of some pretty heavy demand. Also, we all know that it reached its all-time high of 3.10 in September 2021. The coin's price began dropping again as soon as this major milestone was achieved until it dipped back to the $1 range. At present, the coin's price is around the $1 mark. ADA holders may, however, be in for some good news. The price of the coin has begun showing some slight signs that it may be breaking out of its bearish state by the end of December 2021. A few questions remain, however. Do we ever see an end to this struggle? Can ADA recover from this period of bearishness? How will it perform in 2022? Cardano's performance in the crypto market recently could be the indication of the end of the bearish tunnel we've been in for a while now, and it is important to note, however, that the little changes that the coin has made recently are still too early and too insignificant to be able to draw any conclusions. You will know very well if you have used or studied Cardano that it is capable of offering numerous use cases that will make it a cryptocurrency that will be future-proof. Moreover, the IOHK team and Charles Hoskinson really worked hard to ensure that Cardano has so many features that make it stand out from the mighty wave of cryptocurrencies that is swooping into the market today. Since the upgrade was one of the biggest drivers for the price of the coin in 2021, this has been a very interesting year for the Cardano blockchain. Moreover, it wasn't just about the hype, but about the features that continue to appear with these upgrades, emphasizing how Cardano is improving on all levels, both technologically and usability-wise. Instead of wasting time on this topic, let's look at the Alonzo Purple upgrade that brought Cardano into the mainstream. In addition, it effectively attracted attention to the upcoming Hydra upgrade. Those of you who follow the Alonzo Purple upgrade are aware that it completes the final phase of the implementation of Cardano smart contracts. Additionally, it opened up new opportunities for users with non-fungible tokens. In addition to this, its availability was one of the biggest factors that pushed ADA to take off. Further, the digital wallet Cardano reached 100 million users in March 2021. In less than 2 months, that number doubled to 200 million million active wallets. Although some skeptics raised concerns over Cardano's scaling with these large numbers, Cardano appears to have made all the necessary preparations for this influx. Moreover, with the use of Hydra, Cardano will be able to scale its network in 2 layers. Additionally, it will increase the network's capability to serve better in the commerce sector. Additionally, going into the new year, the system will be emphasized more on how quickly it can accommodate the numerous transactions that happen each second. Furthermore, during the Hydra upgrade, Cardano intends to add 1,000 Hydro nodes, and each Hydro node allows Cardano to process 1,000 transactions per second. Additionally, Cardano might just end up being the world's highest scaled network if it successfully implements this. In view of the size of the upgrade, the developers of the coin have not yet announced a launch date for the Hydra upgrade. Like smart contracts, whatever options they choose, the entire system must be extensively tested before it can be fully implemented. Once this upgrade launch announcement goes out, look for an increase in the price of the coin. History has shown us this to be true in the past. Aside from this, Cardano's blockchain won't only attract new investors and partners because of the hype that comes with upgrades, but an actual implementation of this upgrade will become a major factor in attracting new investors and partners. As more investors use the ADA token to invest in the Cardano blockchain, the price of the coin will increase. The $3.60 level seems very feasible very soon, and while the technology that runs the Cardano blockchain is an important selling point, Cardano is not dependent solely on that tech. Cardano will also have an extremely successful year in 2022 with the strategic partnerships it has managed to form. Furthermore, some of the biggest names in the financial sector have been drawn to Cardano both within and outside of the cryptocurrency space. This is perhaps one of the biggest appeals of the Cardano blockchain, which manages to maintain its decentralization while still partnering with firms that are implicated in the traditional centralized financial systems. The cryptocurrency community in general prefers to live outside the traditional financial system. While Cardano is willing to take that bold step, it does not mind partnering with a variety of companies. Meanwhile, Cardano's unconventional approach of partnering with the traditional financial system will play a huge role in its adoption and performance in the future, especially when there is so much crypto to spies in the centralized financial systems of different countries. Further, ADA token usage will multiply in the millions if blockchain is able to build a system that will use the token and serve the centralized finance system at the same time, and the coin's price would eventually rise above that $3.60 mark to the highs. From what the Cardano Foundation managed to support this year, we can assume that even more will be supported in 2022. Additionally, we should look at Cardano's involvement in Africa as an indicator to watch for in the new year. To start with, Africa is an enticing market that has not yet been fully explored by major blockchain companies. Cardano has already established huge connections in 2021 with several countries and organizations in Africa, and there will be more in 2022. Charles Hoskinson spoke to Cardano's audience live on YouTube during their Christmas broadcast, in which he outlined the company's plans for the new year, as well as celebrated its achievements of the previous one. Hoskinson also mentioned that his company plans to construct a financial operating system by the second quarter of 2022 that will allow Africans to access a variety of device services, including loans. As a company, he noted African expansion has always been part of the company's plans. Furthermore, new plans are also on the table to expand influence on the continent even further by 2022. As Hoskinson explained, his goal is to assemble all the prices needed to conduct an end-to-end microfinance transaction with Cardano by the mid-2022 timeframe. Therefore, someone in Kenya or somewhere would have a blockchain-based identity and credit score. In contrast with stablecoin, Cardano is the settlement rail, which is a peer-to-peer, person-to-person loan paid back by them, which goes to the other side. As a foundation, Hoskinson emphasized that the Cardano Foundation's mission is to ensure the world is brought to a state of balance and equality by developing and modernizing Africa. As part of an existing partnership agreement, Cardano already provides citizens and residents of Tanzania with social digital identification and financial empowerment packages. IOHK has also partnered with the European Business University of Luxembourg to offer education opportunities in Africa to more students. Furthermore, after he outlined the company's goals and plans, its founder went on to say that the project has everything it needs with regards to resources and technology to achieve its goals in the new year. With that said, there is a lot to look forward to from Cardano in 2022 if everything we have discussed thus far for mass adoption of the ADA token goes according to plan. Then reaching $3.60 is going to be a piece of cake. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.